There's Buster's favorite toy. This cat.
Another longtime powerful member of Congress is retiring. Republican Senator Pete Domenici says he won't be back when his term runs out next year, and poor health is the reason. The 75-year-old six-term lawmaker will make an official announcement later today.
Ow.
Degenerative brain disorder.
Buster, look.
Domenici says he's confident he can
Catch.
serve out his remaining 15 months, but he can't be sure how he'll be 7 years from now. Domenici is the fourth Republican incumbent senator not to seek re-election. Larry Craig of Idaho would make 5.
A black student says he was held against his will while other students scrawled swastikas and the letters KKK on his body.
Oh, you don't want to play now?
And police say it happened at a high school on the campus of Gallaudet University, the nation's only liberal arts university to adapt. But there's more to this story that maybe you haven't heard so far, and we're going to share that with you in just a few minutes. Gallaudet President Dr. Bob Davila will join me to talk about that case and what's happening on campus to promote diversity and race relations.
Finally, rain in Atlanta. Of course, other places may not be cheering, Chad Myers. Yeah, exactly. When you get it, sometimes you have to watch what you ask for. Sometimes it comes in way too much. And we showed you a picture a little bit earlier of some of that flooding out there. Look at how active this Google Earth map is of all the active, or at least potential lows that are happening in either the Atlantic, the Caribbean, or in the Gulf of Mexico. A couple of lows out here. We talk about these spaghetti gnats, kind of randomly
Buster.
no real flow to them, and no real organization either.
What? What? I'm Buster. 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 Alright. Okay, we're gonna say goodbye. Bye, Buster. Buster. Buster, you gonna say bye? Bye. Ah! Bye. Buster. Buster.